Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're sort of in Christmas baking mode. You know, we've switched over to starting our Christmas spirit baking and stuff. So I'm going to show you a cake today that's probably the easiest cake you'll ever make in your life and one of the best tasting you'll ever put in your mouth. It's called a Are You Kidding Me cake. I got one cake mix. I just got a white cake mix here. You can use any flavor cake mix you want to for this cake. I'm using just a plain white cake mix. And what I got here is just one can of cherry pie filling. Now, I'm going to just dump this cherry pie filling right in on top of my cake mix. Like I said, you can use any flavor cake mix you want to. You can use any flavor pie filling you want to. But I just thought white cake and cherry pie filling would go real good together. So that's what we're using now. This is a 22-ounce can of pie filling. And my cake is a 15.25-ounce cake mix. And whatever you do, don't follow the directions on the cake mix box if you're fixing this, because it will not turn out. Just follow these directions that I'm giving you for this, and you'll see it's one of the best cake mixes you will ever put in your mouth. Knock as much of that off I can. And the third and final ingredient is just 3 ingredients. It's three eggs. We're going to take our mixer and we're just going to give her a mix. And yeah, we're going to crush a little bit of our cherries, but that's okay. It ain't going to hurt anything. You can you don't even have to have a pie filling with any of the fruit in it. You know, you can just use like a lemon pie filling, or, you know, one that doesn't have it. It's sort of a thick batter cake. As you'll see, it's going to be sort of thick. You know, I'm just mixing it up good just till you can see how it's turning that cake mix colors. We just want to get it mixed up good. And I'm going to take and rake my sides down there a little bit, just to be sure that I get all my cake batter mixed in good. Are You Kidding Me cake? And they named it right, because are you kidding me? Are you kidding me that something this simple, 3 ingredients, can taste that good? Believe me, you're not going to believe it can. You can bake this in any type of pan you want. You can do traditionally it's done in a 9x13 pan, but I'm going to step outside the box just a little bit today. I'm going to do it in a bundt cake pan. I had never done it in a bundt cake pan before, but we're going to see what it does there. So just try to get them sifted out of there without splattering it all over the camera. Just like that. Now I got a well-greased bundt cake pan here, and we're just going to take and spread this around. Hey, look, we don't have a lot of dishes messed up. We don't have a lot of cleanup to do. This is really simple. Turn that around there where maybe y'all can see what it looks like while I'm pouring it out in there. It's really simple, really easy. And like I said, man, this cake here is one of the best cakes I've ever tasted in my life. I'm going to try to scrape the rest of that down where we can get it in there. Are you kidding me? Man, that smells good. Makes me want to eat it just like that. Not even worry about baking it. It tastes good enough to eat. Well, I tell you what, if it didn't have the raw eggs in it, I ain't gonna swear I wouldn't take a bite of it right there, because I mean, it smells that good. Now, this is the first time I've ever done the white cake and the cherry pie filling like this. I've done, other flavors of it before, but I hadn't ever done the cherry pie filling with a white cake, which is one reason I wanted to do it this time. See what it turns out like. And this is the first time I've ever done it in a bundt cake pan. Typically, I put it in the 9x13 pan that it traditionally comes in. And that's my oven going off over there. It's ready for the cake just as we finishing up here. Couldn't ask for no better timing. What we're going to do now, we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven. And if I was using a 9x13, I'd go about 35 to 40 minutes. We're going to probably go about 40 to 45 minutes here in the bundt cake pan. And then we'll bring you back when we get to that point. Okay, we got our cake out of the oven, and you can see we've let it completely cool down. You can see what it looks like there now. We're just going to turn it out onto this pie plate here. Flip it over. And you see what it looks like on that side. I think I'm going to try to turn it over and set it the other way. See what it looks like setting the other way there. I should have done that to begin with. Give me just a minute, people. Let me see what it looks like. Well, yeah, a little bit of it come off, but I believe it'll be all right. I'm just going to slide it off. I believe I like it setting like that better. That's what it looks like right there anyway. You can see what it looks like there. I'll give you a close-up here of it so you can see what it looks like up close. Now, are you kidding me, cake? We're going to cut it open and see what it looks like on the inside. Just so happens I have a saucer here and a knife, and I'm going to cut a little slice of it and see what it looks like here. It's still just a little bit warm on the inside, but it's good enough that we can cut a piece out of it and see what it's going to look like. Oh yeah, you can see the cherries and stuff in it there. Yeah, man, that looks good. I guarantee you that's going to be a good cake. We're going to break this off a piece here, and we're going to taste it and see what it tastes like. Yeah, you want to see the inside? What the inside of it looks like there. We're going to try a taste of it. Man, that cherry pie filling blends perfectly with that white cake. Are you kidding me? That is the best cake, the moistest cake, with that little hint of surprise with the pie filling inside. Anybody don't know would think you slaved hours to get that cake to perfection. Try this recipe if you will. Hey, give the video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you that do. Appreciate all of you that take time out of your days to watch our videos. Are you kidding me, cake? We'll see you on the next one.